Okay, so this is a Roma tomato. It's a long tomato rather than a round tomato, but basically the procedure is going to be the same. If I'm just chopping, I'm not going to be peeling it or anything. First you want to take the core out. You want a little paring knife, and all you do is stick the knife down and make a little circle around that core, okay? Okay, so you have this little cone, you're going to throw this away. Now, just like an onion and all other vegetables, there's a cell structure to a tomato, and we're going to call this lengthwise. We're going to cut lengthwise. This would be the equator, and sometimes with round tomatoes you say cut across the equator, but with plum tomatoes, Roma tomatoes, you're going to cut lengthwise. Okay, now I'm going to cut strips. And then I'm going to cut one parallel to the table, and then it's sometimes easier with the tomatoes because the skin is slippery to actually turn it and cut on the cut side across your strips. So you have a nice, when you're making salsa, this is all you have to do. Now if you want it a little bit finer, once you've chopped it like that, just take your knife, keep your tip down, put your hand on top of the tip, and just rock your knife up and down. With your other hand, push the tomatoes back to the center. And just keep doing that until they're as fine as you want them. And for salsa, sometimes you do want them finer. But that's all you have to do for salsa. So again, I'm going to take this tomato, this half, I'm going to cut strips, and it's easier if once you get to the middle, you turn it, and again, cut towards the middle, okay? Then if you want to, you can cut a parallel strip, and then it's easiest if you turn it over because it won't, the knife won't slip on the skin. And now just cut across your cuts. And then if you want it finer, hold your hand on top of the end of the knife and rock the knife up and down. And as they spread out, just keep pushing them towards the center. And now you can make your salsa.